Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. I love you more than I can say. I love you twice as much tomorrow. I love you more than I can say. Whoa, 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 yeah. I miss you every single day. Why must my life be filled with sorrow? So, but tell me please, I've gotta know. Do you mean to make me cry? Am I just another guy? Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. I miss you more than I can say. Why must my life be filled with sorrow? So let me please, I gotta know. Do you mean to make me cry? Am I just another guy? Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. I got to love you so. I'll love you twice as much tomorrow. Love you more than I can say. Love you more than I can say. Love you more than I can say. Well, hi there, pluckers. I was Sore Fingers again with you with an old classic song from way back when, and resurrected by Leo Sayer, originally done by Bobby V, and I think there was someone else as well, but Bobby V originally, and then in later years resurrected by Leo Sayer. So this is a cross between both versions, really. Okay, for a single acoustic guitar. Okay, so. Standard tuning, no capos. I'm doing it in the key of A, okay? If you want to play along with the Leo Sayer's version, then play everything I'm about to show you with a capo on the first fret, and you'll be in the same key as Leo Sayer, okay? So, but I've done it in the key of A for simplicity, okay? So it starts off with the iconic little riff, of course. Okay, so what I'm doing there, I'm doing a slide from the 2nd fret on the 4th string to the 4th fret on the 4th string to the 2nd fret on the 3rd, then going back to the 4th fret of the 4th string, and then back to the 2nd fret on the 4th string, so it's then to the 4th fret of the 5th string, and then the open 5th string, and then the slide from the 2nd on the 5th to the 4th on the 5th, and then I'm going into a lazy A. Okay, so I'm barring the 2nd fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with my first finger, and hitting the 5th string down to the 2nd string. Okay, so that's. So go for that again. So that's 4th string, 2nd to 4, 2nd fret to 4th fret slide. 2nd fret 3rd string, 4th fret 4th string, 2nd fret 4th string, 4th fret 5th string, open 5th string, and I'll slide from the 2nd on the 5th to the 4th on the 5th, and then the lazy A. Okay, so okay, and then what I did, a couple of down sort of strums on the A chord, that sort of thing, yeah, bum, 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 that sort of thing, yeah. Okay, then you repeat the same riff again until you get to that point. So exactly the same riffs, so it's 4th string 2 to 4, slide, 2nd on the 3rd, 4th on the 4th, 2nd on the 4th, and then to the 4th on the 5th. And then what I tend to do is play the open bottom E string and then to an F sharp minor bar chord. Okay, it really needs to be the bar chord because you need to get that note in. Okay, so from the beginning then, let's just go through that. Okay, so I've got some. It's the same sort of on the F sharp minor, yeah. So a 2nd fret bar, and then 4th fret of the 4th string and the 5th string with the 2 fingers there, F sharp minor, yeah. And then we play a little riff, and then open bottom E string, 2nd on the bottom E string, open 5th string. And then we do a slide again from the 2nd on the 5th to the 4th on the 5th. Back to the lazy A, hitting that 2nd on the 4th. So it's open bottom E string, 2nd on the bottom E string, open 5th string, and a slide from the 2nd on the 5th to the 4th on the 5th, and then hit the lazy A from the 4th string downwards. Okay, so now you've got this from the beginning. So as far as we've got da, 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 all down strokes, yeah. And then we play the 2nd on the 4th to the 4th on the 4th. Just those two. Okay, so we got yeah. Then what we do is we play the 4th fret of the 5th string. So we go, and then we to the 4th fret of the 5th string, and then we play an E chord from the 5th string downwards. I'm not playing the bottom E string, I'm playing 5th string downwards on the E chord. So we highlight that 2nd on the 5th is the note you want to hear. So it goes note, yeah? So now we've got this. I mean, a little riff on the end. That bit. So what that is a bottom E string, hammer up to the 2nd fret on the bottom E string, open 5th string, and then hammer up to the 2nd on the 5th, and then play the open A string, the 5th string, and then the 2nd on the bottom E string. Then we're to the lazy A. And it finishes off with a F sharp minor. You can do it just once, or you could do it 3 times very quickly, like that. That's quite nice. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah, and it's into the song, yeah? So very slowly, the intro, or my version of the intro. It's not exactly the same because obviously there's more than one instrument playing it on the original record, so the timing's a bit strange to try and play it itself like that. So I've come up with this based on the original. Okay, so. Okay, got that? So it goes from that and into an F sharp minor, either a single F sharp minor or you can do 3 stabs, whichever you like best. Okay, then it comes in with the singing. Okay, whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah, and the first chord is basically an A sus2. It's an A chord without the pinky, so the second string, B string, is open. And you strum it, you sort of arpeggiate it down from 5. That sort of thing, okay? So you go from 5 down to 2 and then back up again. And then we play, what we do then is we add, what I do is I add my thumb to the bottom E string on the 2nd fret and play exactly the same thing but with the thumb on the 2nd fret on the bottom E string. Excuse me while I just attend to my pussycat, wherever she is. Oh, she's gone, okay. Come here. There you go. Yeah, okay, I'll be quiet. Fat chance of that. Now obviously you could use different fingers, but that's what I'm doing, okay? So you could use, you could use your 3rd finger and pinky to play the A sus2 and use your 2nd finger to do that. 2nd on the bottom E string if you want. Sorry. Anyway, that's up to you to figure out your own likings for the fingering, really. Okay, so coming into whoa, 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 A sus2. I love you more than you can say is the thumb over on the 2nd fret of the bottom E string. I love you twice as much tomorrow is a C sharp minor 7. So 4th fret bar chord, minor shape, with pinky off, okay, 5 downwards, okay, 5 down to. And what I like to do on this is to go down to C minor 7 to B minor 7. Same chord shape, going down 1 fret at a time, yeah, so it's. So, from the beginning of the verse, whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah, I love you more than I can say. I love you twice as much tomorrow. Whoa, whoa. It's like whoa, whoa, yeah. Love you E more than I can. Back to the A sus2 again. So, and then another 3 stabs on the F sharp minor. Whoa, 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 whoa. Repeat. Love you there. F sharp in the bass. C sharp minor 7. Lee down, C minor, B minor 7, E, A sus2. Stay there this time. Middle section. Oh, don't you know I need you? D. So, oh, tell me please. Back to A sus2. I got to know. You did B7. Da 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 da. E, D. C sharp minor 7th, B minor 7th, stop, whoa, whoa, yeah, another verse as usual, A sus2, whoa. And with an F sharp in the bass, C sharp minor 7, C minor 7, B minor 7, E, A sus2. And at that point I played the intro again. It goes in middle 8 again. But don't you know D, I'm so pleased to please. I've got A sus2, B7, don't make me cry. E to D, C sharp minor 7 to B7, B minor 7, stop. And then it's back into another verse. Whoa, whoa, yay, yay, same as usual. F sharp in the bass to C sharp minor 7, leading down to B minor 7, E, A sus2. B minor at the end of the song, it just repeats the last line. B minor 7, love you, E, alright, A sus2, say, again B minor 7th, love you, E, alright, and say once more for good luck, B minor 7, love you, alright. Can say. And what I did then was, I think what I would like to do, I don't know if I did it on my demo, but all I can say, and now what I'd like to do is to do 3 stabs on the F sharp minor probably, and then you go back into the intro. Oops. And that's how I ended it. Okay, so basically that's it. Everything that is in the lesson has been shown to you now. Hopefully you'll make some sense out of it. Okay, so good luck with that. It's very, as far as the verse is concerned, every verse is exactly the same to play. You've got 2 middle sections which are fairly straightforward. And you start off with the intro, the middle bit is the intro again, and then you can play the intro as the outro as well. Okay, so hope that makes sense, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.